How to fix self-protection failed error code 4. So the self-protection failed error code 4 usually shows up in antivirus, anti-cheat, or security-related software when it can't properly start or protect its own core files. So it often happens due to missing permissions, corrupted files, or conflicts with other programs. So here's the main ways to fix it. So first things first is you can do the run as administrator. So simply just right-click the program and run it as administrator. Then you can also reinstall or repair the program. Simply just uninstall the program completely, then restart your computer, then download the latest version from the official website, then reinstall. You can also check for conflicting softwares, like other antivirus, firewall, or anti-cheat tools that can block it. Then try disabling or uninstalling other security tools temporarily to see if it works. Then you want to update Windows and your drivers, so make sure your Windows are up to date and is current. Then you want to disable controlled folder access. So if you're on Windows 10 and 11, just go to Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, and Ransomware Protection. Then you can check for system integrity. Just open the command prompt and then run this code right here, which repairs the corrupted system files that might be causing the error. Then lastly is the boot in clean mode. So just run msconfig on your run button, select startup, and then disable non-Microsoft services. Then reboot your PC or laptop to see.